Let's discuss the hair oils that we have at Natuur. We have 5 types of head massage oil. The first is sesame hair oil. This is with hibiscus and curry leaves. So we get these herbs, we infuse them in the sun, and then we also add some essential oils of these ingredients to make it even more potent. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that goes in all my hair and body massage oils because it extends the shelf life and it is so good for the skin and hair. It stops hair fall. And so this oil, it is very good in terms of absorption in the scalp, in the hair. And whenever you apply hair oils, please ensure to put it on the complete hair length, not just the scalp. It is imperative that we apply it on the complete hair length as well, because the hair keeps getting drier and frizzier from the hair length if you only lock in the moisture in the scalp with the oil. And whenever you apply oil, you have to follow up with a steam of your scalp, of your hair, with a hot towel. That will ensure that all the nourishment from the oil gets inside the skin and hair and locks in the nourishment for longer. So steaming is imperative and vital. So some sort of water is really vital for combination with massage. So whenever you're doing a body massage, you apply the oil first and then you take a shower, ideally with lukewarm water, so that the oil gets inside the skin. And similarly, when you apply a hair oil to the scalp, then you follow up with steam and then maybe an hour later shower, shampoo with lukewarm water or room temperature water. So water and oil, that combination has to be maintained so that oil is well absorbed into the scalp. So that is the sesame oil, and it is also a good idea to do a porosity test, and that will help you decide what base oil you need to go in for. So we have oils in sesame base, mustard base, coconut base. So if you have low porosity hair, so low porosity basically means your cuticles are tight and you need an oil with a smaller molecule size, then you can go in for the sesame oil for that purpose. If your hair is medium porosity, then you can choose from these two mustard based oils, which is meant for medium porosity. So the one mustard oil is with neem and ratanjot. This is excellent for people with dandruff prone hair, and it is also very good if you have an itchy scalp. And ratanjot is for softening of the hair. So if you have dry hair, frizzy hair, lackluster hair, then it is good to apply this oil. And if you have colored hair, so you are coloring it either with a hair color, chemical hair color, or a natural hair color like henna or indigo, and you want this hair color to stay on your hair for longer, then you can use this hair darkening oil. So this we make along with henna and indigo. The base is mustard oil, and then we take these two herbs and we simmer it on low heat for some time, and then we keep lying it in the iron karahi for some time so that the benefits of iron also go in the color, the dark color of iron. And after that we see when we bottle this oil. So this is hair darkening oil, and this is with mustard base and henna and indigo as the key ingredients. And then we have these two coconut based oils. So if your hair is high porosity, which means the cuticles are wide open, then you need an oil which is 4 or 5 on the comedogenic rating, and coconut oil is 4 on the comedogenic scale. So this is ideal for people with high porosity hair. These two hair oils are also very good for the summer season because you need something cool. So coconut is a cool oil and it is great for summers. So one is coconut oil with coffee and cloves, and these ingredients make this blend anti-aging and antioxidant and focus towards hair growth. Both coffee and clove help in extreme hair growth. And then we have this traditional Ayurvedic formulation with coconut, methi and kalonji. And if you want just a basic oil for summers for helping with hair growth and you want Ayurvedic herbs inside it, then this is the one, coconut, methi, kalonji. So whichever oils suits you, you can go for that. But hair oiling is a must. You must oil your hair once or twice a week, be it summers or winters. Especially in summers when you're out in the sun, it's very hot. Everything becomes very dry, the skin and the hair. So it is imperative that you lock the moisture with oil. You use oil once, at least once a week, if not more, ideally twice a week. And I like to apply my hair oils in the evening, keep it overnight. I put a towel on my pillow, I sleep with it, I let it be for 8 to 10 hours, and then I wash up in the morning. So I do that, like minimum that much time. So you can do as per whatever works for you. If you can't keep it on for that long, then at least for an hour keep the oil, and then give yourself a steam, and then give yourself a wash with a sulfate-free shampoo. And if you do this as a regular practice, your hair will be happy, it will be healthy, it will be well nourished, and it will thank you, and it will be your crown in glory. So do add hair oils to your weekly regime and see the magic.